Do you want to save your marriage before it's too late? Do you want to learn everything you need to know to maintain a healthy, happy, and wonderful relationship? Here is the key to keeping the initial excitement alive and prevent your marriage from deteriorating and failing. Marriage is like a plant. It needs care and nourishment to grow and bloom. Maintaining excitement and attraction. One common mistake people make in relationships is becoming complacent. In the beginning, you put in effort to look good, plan special dates, and surprise each other with thoughtful gestures. Over time, these efforts often fade. It's crucial to keep that initial spark alive. Continue to care for your appearance, plan romantic outings, and express your love through small, meaningful actions. Don't take each other for granted. People often put up a facade to attract a partner. Once they feel comfortable, they may reveal a different side, leading to disappointment and frustration. Stay true to yourself and your partner from the start, and continually strive to be the person your partner fell in love with. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. Develop strong communication skills to express your feelings and needs clearly and respectfully. Address issues early before they escalate into bigger problems. Practice active listening, where you truly hear and understand your partner's perspective without interrupting or planning your response. Regular quality time is essential to maintain your connection. Spend quality time together to maintain your connection. Plan regular date nights, weekend getaways, or simply spend an evening at home without distractions. Engage in activities that you both enjoy and create new shared experiences. This helps to strengthen your bond and keep your relationship fresh. Show appreciation. Expressing gratitude and appreciation can go a long way. Regularly acknowledge the things your partner does for you, no matter how small. Compliment them and remind them why you love them. This fosters a positive atmosphere and helps your partner feel valued and loved. Remember, never beg your partner to give you another chance unless you did something really bad. Begging usually works against you in the future conflicts. Try to use reasoning, honesty, and sincerity. Another important component of a good, loving, and healthy relationship is physical intimacy and lovemaking. This expression of love is not only natural and beautiful, but also crucial for maintaining a strong bond between partners. Physical intimacy plays a significant role on both a physical and psychological level, helping to keep the relationship intimate and on track. Intimacy generates energy that radiates throughout all aspects of life, providing vitality and motivation, especially for men. Both partners draw comfort and confidence from physical closeness. Lovemaking is a powerful act that allows men to draw energy and strength from. The love of a woman, keeping them younger, healthier and happier, living a longer life. Many of the most powerful men in history have won the biggest battles, fueled by the love and support of a woman. Sex is a beautiful God-given gift for a husband and wife to enjoy, enhancing their connection, loyalty and enriching their lives. Handling challenges and saving your marriage can be tough, but it's not impossible. With commitment, communication and understanding, you can navigate through difficult times and come out stronger together. The importance of patience. Understand that change takes time. Be patient with yourself and your partner as you work through challenges. Consistently show your commitment to improving the relationship, even if progress seems slow. Your patience and persistence can encourage your partner to engage more actively in saving the marriage. Avoiding negative behaviors. Resist the urge to take your partner's actions personally. This can lead to resentment, which often manifests in arguments. Instead, approach the situation with empathy and understanding. Don't pick fights over trivial matters. Focus on maintaining a peaceful and supportive environment. Constructive responses to criticism. Criticism from your partner can be hard to hear, but it often reflects their own insecurities and fears. Use these moments to understand their concerns and work on alleviating them. Respond constructively and show that you are willing to make positive changes. Sometimes giving your partner space is necessary. It allows them to reflect and reassess their feelings, respect their need for space, and use this time to focus on your own personal growth and self-improvement. The power of words. Never use harsh or hurtful words. Some words and their effects last a long time. Do not ever insult them or their family. Do not insult their physical appearance. Always try to say loving and kind words. Think before you speak, giving space. Invest in your personal growth. Work on improving yourself physically, intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually. This not only enhances your well-being, but also makes you more attractive to your partner. A relationship where both partners are continually growing is more likely to thrive. Focus on yourself. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe, like, and notification buttons. Do not forget to leave a comment. We need your support. We are working so hard to bring you 4 to 6 brand new videos a week, absolutely for free. Show us you care. All we ask is for you to become our subscriber so we can notify you as soon as we publish a new video. Do it right now to show us you care about SHN&x's mission to inspire your life. Cultivate a positive outlook on your relationship. Use gratitude exercises to appreciate the good in your partner and your relationship. This positive mindset can influence your partner and create a more supportive environment. Maintaining a positive mindset. Recognizing when to let go. Sometimes the hardest decision is knowing when to walk away. Identifying unhealthy relationships. Not all relationships are worth saving. If your partner is abusive, unfaithful, or fundamentally disrespectful, it may be healthier to let go. Relationships should be built on mutual respect, trust, and kindness. Recognize the red flags and prioritize your well-being. Impact of divorce. Divorce can be as painful, if not more so, than death. It affects not only the partners, but also the children. Children in high-conflict divorces often experience emotional distress, academic problems, and issues in their future relationships. It's crucial to weigh the impact of divorce carefully and strive to create a stable and loving environment for your children. Commitment to long-term success. Ongoing effort. A successful relationship requires continuous effort from both partners. It's not about being perfect, but about continually striving to be better for each other. Invest time in maintaining the romance, expressing appreciation, and supporting each other's growth. Two-way relationship. Ensure that the relationship is balanced. Both partners should be willing to give more than they expect in return. This mutual effort creates a healthy dynamic and fosters a lasting connection. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy, happy relationship takes ongoing effort, effective communication, and a commitment to personal growth. Avoid taking each other for granted and continually strive to keep the initial excitement alive. Although most marriages are savable, some must end as soon as possible. While many couples can work through their issues with effort, communication, and therapy, there are relationships where staying together is not only unwise but dangerous. Some marriages are fundamentally flawed from the beginning, built on unstable foundations that make them unsustainable and harmful in the long run. One major reason some marriages must end swiftly is the presence of abuse. Under no condition is violence acceptable. Relationships involving physical, emotional, or psychological abuse cross an inviolable boundary. In such cases, immediate separation and divorce are not just advisable, they are essential. Abusive partners, often men, rarely change their behavior and tend to become worse over time. Women in abusive marriages often suffer in silence, afraid to seek help or share their experiences with friends and family. Tragically, some endure years of torment, leading to severe physical and mental health issues and, in extreme cases, death. Another scenario where a marriage must end promptly is when there is a fundamental incompatibility or deception that was not apparent at the beginning. Some marriages are wrong from the start. based on lies, misrepresentations, or a lack of true compatibility. These marriages, often entered into hastily or under societal pressure, can lead to profound unhappiness and a toxic environment for both partners. However, if divorce is the only option, maintaining a civil and decent relationship for the sake of any children involved is crucial. Children should never be caught in the middle of parental conflicts or forced to take sides. They need the love and support of both parents, and any attempt to vilify the other parent or involve the children in disputes will only cause harm. Ultimately, while many marriages can be saved with effort and dedication, some are beyond repair. Recognizing when to end a harmful relationship is vital for the well-being and future happiness of both partners and any children involved. But if your relationship has the potential for happiness and warmth, fight for it and nurture it to keep your family strong and united. Recognize when it's time to let go of unhealthy relationships and prioritize your well-being. By focusing on these principles, you can create a fulfilling and lasting partnership. If your relationship has the fundamentals and potential necessary for a good, warm connection, by all means, do everything within your power to make it work and keep your family together. A stable and loving family environment is crucial for your well-being and that of your children. Remember, in most cases, the grass is not greener outside your marriage. Working through challenges together can strengthen your bond and provide a solid foundation for a happy future. Fight for your relationship, nurture it, and strive to keep your families strong and united. Thank you for staying with us. This video was researched, written and produced by SHN&x, a life-changing content creator. Please support this channel so we can continue our work to make this a better world. Join our warm and loving community now. Please smash the subscribe, like and notification buttons. Leave a comment. Let us know how we are doing. If there is a subject you want us to cover in future videos, write in the comment section. Please visit our rapidly growing channel for so much more important topics. Pause 2S. See you on our next video.